This is probably the most expensive thing on the boat, is all these voids. I was told it's just cosmetic, voids from the factory.
Right.
It's just a bubble in the vacuum bagging process.
Right.
I have later come to realize that these are not environmentally sealed. Water finds its way into the roof of the salon, and this boat has an indoor swimming pool, not voluntarily.
Got it.
So we're gonna need to troubleshoot, trace, and find the leak. I bet you if we pull those panels down on the inside of the salon,
Yeah.
you're gonna see skid marks all over the place. It's gonna look like a high school bathroom. The aesthetic, I think you're probably just gonna have to match it with the same molded non-skid. But before we do that, we gotta find the offending area that's leaking water inside the boat.
So what we do is when we sand a lot of this stuff down, that'll be all repaired and from the outside and fixed. And then when we pull the panels down from the inside, it'll give us a clear look of what's going on underneath there and possibly be able to fix that leak.